Ryan Gass here at PTPGun.com, and today we're going to show you the field strip of this Sig Sauer P220 45 ACP. Before we field strip any firearm, we want to double check, make sure the firearm is unloaded. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to hit the magazine release, drop the magazine, set it to the side, we're going to double check the chamber, chamber's clear, and we're good to proceed. With this firearm, we're going to go ahead and leave the slide lock to the rear. We're going to take this lever, and it's like a hand on a clock. We're going to drop it from the 3 o'clock position, we're going to rotate it down to the 6 o'clock position. From there, we're going to pull the slide back, let go, and the slide is going to come off freely. So with field stripping, this is as far as we're going to take apart the frame. So we're going to set that to the side. And now we have our slide assembly. It's upside down. We're going to go ahead and take the spring and spring guide. We're going to compress it just a little bit. We're going to pull it up and out. Now with this spring and spring guide, the way it's set up on this gun, it is 2 parts, all right? So we're going to set that to the side though. Now we have our slide with our barrel. We're going to take the barrel, we're going to push it up and out from the bottom, pull it up and out, set that to the side, and now we have the slide itself. So now we have our slide, our barrel, our spring, and our spring guide, and we have our frame. With this, you can do any type of cleaning or maintenance you might need to do this firearm, but now we're gonna get into reassembling the firearm and get into the functions check. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take the slide. We're gonna put it upside down, we're gonna drop the barrel in, muzzle first, set it into place. Again, the barrel's gonna stick out about 1 millimeter, all right? Take the spring and spring guide, the spring end in first, and we're gonna compress that spring guide in. We're just gonna get caught in the bottom of that barrel lug, all right? Set it right side up. We're gonna take the rail here, which is actually a full length rail, goes all the way to the end of the frame. We're gonna take that, we're gonna match it up with the rear end of the slide. We're gonna insert that into the cutout there. We're gonna keep it matched up. We're gonna pull it all the way back, and when we get it back, we're actually gonna engage that slide release, slide catch, which is only on the left side of this firearm. We're gonna engage that. All right, while it's engaged, we're gonna take this hand on the clock, we're gonna rotate it back from 6 to 3 o'clock. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into the functions check. For the functions check, we're gonna go ahead, pull that slide back and let go. Point in the safe direction, we're gonna go ahead and pull that trigger and let go. Pull the slide back, let go, pull the trigger, pull the slide back, let go, pull the trigger. And this time we're gonna pull the trigger to the rear and we're gonna hold it to the rear. While holding it to the rear, we're gonna pull that slide back, let go, we're gonna release the trigger until you hear and or feel that click. From there, the trigger's been reset. We're gonna pull the trigger just to the rear again. Again, we're gonna hold it to the rear, let go, pull, release the trigger. All right, also what I wanna do is I'm gonna check to make sure that the decocker works. We're gonna pull this down. When you're holding it, it's gonna pull it down and decocks the hammer, all right? We'll pull the slide back one more time and decock. And now with that, we have now field stripped, reassembled, and even functions checked our Sig Sauer P220 and 45 ACP. For more videos on how to field strip your firearm, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we're gonna be posting these videos every Friday, Field Stripping Friday. Also, if you have any particular firearms you wanna see us field strip so you can know how to do that for yourself, hit us in the comments below and let us know what firearms you would like to see field stripped. Thank you all again, stay safe, and remember to train, defend, Prevail.